Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Biaheza. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this one, we're gonna go over how you can make money on YouTube without ever actually filming any videos, without being in front of the camera, without even owning a camera. Alright, so jumping straight into it, like I said in that little intro, in this video we're gonna go over how you can make money on YouTube without ever actually filming any videos. And there's people, like I put in the title, making $100 a day from this, but if you're serious about this and you're really committed to growing this into a legitimate business, there's people making a couple $1,000s a day from this. So this is something that's definitely worth looking into. If you're interested, this is a great video to start off with, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, before we proceed, if you're actually interested in doing this and making money with this, make sure you don't skip around the video. There's going to be a few critical points that I talk about in this video that are crucial to your success with this type of thing and doing it correctly and legally. So if you're actually going to be doing this, make sure you watch throughout the whole video and don't skip these points. I'll make it worth your time, just don't skip around. Alright, so you might be thinking, okay, if I'm not filming videos, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna make these videos? I can't just take people's videos, steal them, and monetize them on my channel. And you're right, that is illegal. You can't do that. But here's what you can do. The first type of video you can make is a compilation type video. But again, you can't just repost other people's content illegally. So what you can actually do is going into my laptop here. If you go on YouTube and let's say you want to do some sort of top 10 fitness related video. So if you actually type in fitness in the YouTube search bar and then go on filter and hit Creative Commons, YouTube is going to show you videos that you're allowed to take for yourself. So all of these videos right here, people uploaded them for other people to use, for other people like you. It's fair game for you to take these videos, any of these videos, make a top 10 video out of them or out of a number of them and monetize them. So let's stick with the fitness niche here for a second and show you guys what would be a potential video that you can make. So let's say you type in biceps workout, it's filter Creative Commons. And all of these videos right here are Creative Commons. They're fair game for you to use. So what you could do is download some of these videos, find the best ones, put them into one video titled Top 3 Bicep Workouts 2019 for Beginners, whatever. Something catchy, something that'll get clicks. And because the videos you used are Creative Commons, it's completely legal and YouTube is completely fine with you using AdSense to monetize that video. And I mean, fitness is obviously not the only niche that you can do this with. Another example would be sports. You search up sports on YouTube, you gotta be a little more specific. Let's say you type in soccer on YouTube, soccer tricks, I don't know. Go and filter Creative Commons. And here, I mean, you'll see some soccer tricks or whatever. What you could do is make a video titled Top 10 Soccer Tricks in 2019, something like that, something that would get clicks, and people watch a ton of sports compilations. So this would also be something that you could get into. And another really good niche, probably my favorite out of the three that I would recommend you guys get into, would be gaming. So let's say you type in Fortnite. You type in Fortnite, you go on filter, Creative Commons. So yeah, a bunch of Fortnite videos will come up and all of these are fair game for you to use. Maybe you type in Fortnite trick shots. Fortnite trick shots, filter, Creative Commons. You have a bunch of these Fortnite trick shots that you can put into your own video, title it Top 10 Fortnite Trick Shots and start getting views. And the reason why this is a good niche to get into is this type of content that kids watch. And kids watch a ton of YouTube. They binge watch YouTube. So if you can get in a niche that kids like and make compilation videos in it, there's a ton of money to be made there. Alright, so that's one way you can do this. You can make these top 10 compilation type videos, but there's also another way, another type of video that I want to talk about in this video. These are videos that people make that showcase like recent YouTube drama or even Twitch streamer drama type stuff. So let me show you guys an example of what I mean. There's a channel, it's called Jack, that's doing this really well that I want to show you guys. Here it is, Jack. And if you go on their videos, you can see here that they're doing stuff like James Charles being an iconic sister for 10 minutes, 10 minutes of Jeffree Star shading YouTubers, that kind of thing. Now here's the thing, you can't just blatantly take YouTubers' videos, upload them, and start making money off them. That's not, definitely don't do that. what this channel is doing, what these people are doing, is that they're finding different snips of these YouTubers' videos and they're making a different type of compilation with it. Now the thing with these is that they're not Creative Commons videos, so it's very possible that these videos can still get copyright striked. And that's really not the end of the world. All a copyright strike is let's say there's this video on Gabby Hanna, and Gabby Hanna finds this video on YouTube, she watches it, she doesn't like it for some reason, or she just decides out of nowhere to copyright strike it. All that's gonna happen is that she's gonna get a choice to either delete this video or to take all the ad revenue from this video and keep it up. So to the channel making this video, it really doesn't have any effect on them, any negative effect on them, except that they won't make money off this video. So it's really not the end of the world. But the thing is, if these people saw the videos that this channel is making on them, they really wouldn't want to copyright strike them. This is because this channel is just offering these YouTubers free exposure, free publicity. And if they copyright strike these videos, then the person behind this channel is going to be like, okay, this person doesn't like it when I post their videos, I'm not going to post anything about them anymore. And another reason why it's such a good idea to make these types of YouTuber videos is that when people search for these videos, or when they're watching these people's videos, in the suggestions, if you put David Dobrik being funny for 10 minutes or something, and you make a video on it, it might show up in the suggestion part of David Dobrik's video. Or let's say David Dobrik is in some kind of YouTuber drama and his name is being searched up a lot. Your video could potentially be popping up when people search up his name. So because you're making videos on a very popular topic and it's something that people are already searching for, it's a lot easier to grow and to actually get views with this type of video. Now that you kind of have a grasp of this whole concept, let's actually talk about how much people are really making with this type of thing and how much you can make. So on YouTube, there's a thing called CPM, which is the dollar amount that you make per 1,000 views. And it varies anywhere from $1 to $10 per 1,000 views. Usually the channels that make the most money are like educational type, serious type channels, and the lowest are, you know, like prank videos and stuff like that. They just don't get that much money from ad revenue. But on average, on the lower spectrum, it's somewhere around $3. So let's just use that for our calculations. Let's say that these videos are making $3 per 1,000 views, which is a very low estimate. So let's start off with that YouTuber Jack channel. I mean, this channel it doesn't get that many views, but let's just use this video, 77,000 views. That's 77 times 3 equals $231. That's $231 in 2 days. And then we see another video here, 4 days ago. It has 212,000 views. So 212,000 views times $3 per 1,000, $600 in the last 4 days from that video. Now the thing is, they're not just making money from their new YouTube videos. They have hundreds of videos dating back like a year ago. And all of those videos, people are still watching them. So they're making money from their old videos as well, which is the whole beauty of this thing. So the more YouTube videos you have on your channel, obviously the more money you'll probably be making. So a channel like this is making a ton of money. But let's go and look at some other videos. Let's go back to that Fortnite example. Let's type in top 10 Fortnite. I don't know, something like that. Let's go on filter, sort by view count. So there we go, top 250 funniest fails in Fortnite, 72 million views. So let's see how much that's gonna make them if they're getting $3 CPM. So let's do 72 million divided by 1,000 equals 72,000. And let's just say this channel has a lower CPM. Let's say it only has $1 per 1,000 views. They still made $72,000 from this video. And if they had like a $3 CPM, I mean, look at this, times 3, that would mean they made 216,000 from this little Fortnite video. Getting 72 million views on a YouTube video is extremely unlikely, but it's still possible. This is a type of video that anybody could have made. Anybody could have found 200 funny Fortnite fails, put them in one video and uploaded it. So really, there's nothing stopping one of you guys from doing this type of thing and making money with it. And it's not like this 72 million views is an anomaly. Right under it is another video that's very similar that got 66 million, I mean 29 million, 25 million. These videos get views. So the most obvious way of making money from your YouTube videos and the whole CPM thing I just went over is from Google AdSense. That's the actual platform that you connect your YouTube channel to that puts the ads on your videos. It's a very simple process to set this all up. All you really need is to meet their little threshold for your watch time and your subscriber count, and you'll be off making money through Google AdSense. But let's say you're making these YouTube videos to start getting a ton of views, but you keep on getting copyright striked, and Google AdSense just doesn't seem to like the videos you're making. You can actually still make money off of that YouTube channel without Google AdSense through stuff like selling merch or affiliate marketing. Let's say you have a popular fitness channel doing these type of reposting videos. You could start selling fitness clothing, fitness accessories, that type of thing. Or maybe you even go and the affiliate marketing route and start selling someone's fitness course. A lot of huge people on this platform actually don't make their money from Google AdSense, but they do it through selling their merch. Think about Danny Duncan, Nelk Boys. They can't really get their videos monetized because of the type of content they're doing, so they sell their merch and they do really well with it. But even if you do get your YouTube videos monetized, it's still a good idea to try some affiliate marketing or sell some merch and get some extra money on your videos that way. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below. I try and get back to all of your YouTube comments. Thank you for all the comments, by the way. I really appreciate them. Subscribe if you want more videos. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.